name is Bob Kirby. We're in Ogilville, Indiana, which is near Columbus, Indiana. But we were in the process of looking at roofs, and a hailstorm came through last spring and peeled up some of the shingles. So we had a roofer come check it out and advised us that they had a lot of hail damage and wind damage. So we thought we'd better look into doing something. The house was 24 years old. So we contacted the insurance company, and they were able to help us out with it. And then we contacted Royalty to help get the ball rolling. Yeah, Royalty Roofing has been on my mind because I've seen their trucks and their equipment around, and I've had people tell me about their work and their service. And so I contacted them when this opportunity came. We discussed it around 2 or 3 different roofing contractors, but kind of settled on Royalty, and they came out quickly, gave me what I needed to find out, information on it, gave me a quote which was competitive, and we just decided to go with them. And yeah, the crew came out and immediately tackled the old roof. Couldn't believe how fast they took it off, and anytime we had a question or concern about what they were doing, they stopped immediately and answered them for us and discussed anything we had were concerned about as far as the replacement concerned. And they were doing such a good job that it's hard to come up with a question to ask to find out an answer from them. Each day when they completed their jobs, they went around the house with magnets, and several fellows just personally checked the yard for any extreme shingles pieces left laying around, completely around the house each day when they completed their jobs, which was about dark some nights. We were impressed with, number one, the quickness of their response from my asking for a quotation. We had anticipated contacting a couple other roofing contractors, but after we talked to the representative from Royalty, we were so confident that we didn't have to worry about the results or not doing their job properly that we didn't even make any other contacts. So we immediately went with that program. They told us they'd be here within a week or 2, which they did. Told us it'd take 3 or 4 days to complete the job at the most, and they were done within 3 days, including the replacement of 2 skylights and the new 6-inch guttering around the complete house. Yeah, and once they completed the job, it was like nobody had ever been on this property with any kind of a roofing repair process, because it was just as clean as it was when they came. And after the 3-day period, when they left, it was all cleaned up and everything was fine. We were very pleased.